Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to Millionaire Gaming. So, today we're playing some Heavy Rain. I have never played this game on my channel, and I played this game in 2018, give or take, and I remember playing it on the PlayStation 4. Um, and so, yeah, I decided to, do this on the PlayStation 5. This time, we're gonna do a new story because I don't want to play on my old profile, so here we go. This game's gonna get hard. I'm not gonna lie. So I played this game. It has a lot of darker themes, and when I first played this game, I did have some tears. I'm not gonna lie, but yeah. So here we are. It's a Saturday morning with our man Ethan. I'm hoping it runs decently, but I'm not entirely sure how it will run because it's a fairly older game, but I can imagine it's gonna be decent enough. All right. Well, I mean, here we are. We're just laying up in bed. All right. Get up, man. There we are. Okay. So it says hold R2 and the right and the left stick to change directions. All right. So this is one of those games that have like a weird control system. But yeah, we're going to take a shower first. It says at any time you can listen to your character by holding L2. So, yeah.
I better take a shower and get dressed before I go downstairs.
Yeah, that'd probably be preferable, my good sir. All right, so let's see what it says.
Gone shopping. I'll pick the kids up from school at lunchtime, and then I'll come home to get things ready for Jason's birthday party. Don't work too hard. I love you.
You know what's funny? I actually have an ex named Grace, which is an interesting fact. There is a picture. Let's see what the picture is. It's of them together. All right, a happy couple. Sometimes it's nice to look at little attention to detail stuff. We've got a bird. Hi there, bird. How you doing, homie? Doing all right? All right. Well, where's the bathroom? I suppose. Well, I'm not gonna take a pee, but all right. Let's I guess get the shower. So, yep. Very strange, but hey, what are you gonna do? Shaking up that thing. I don't know why we're doing it like this. This is a little weird. You would think with the like the PS5 controller, it'd be a little bit different, but I mean, yeah, I mean, thank God. At least we didn't have to see his fucking penis or anything. I'd be a little concerned with that one. I got a question. Do you brush your teeth before you take a shower, or like what? I mean, I feel like I'm that one person that does it before I shower. I mean, some people I know, they used to do it while they showered, so it's a very interesting experience. Fuck. You know, some people might think it's a, happy ending, happy story, but it gets progressively worse. Our boy gonna shave. All right, easy. Easy. So, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, as a person that has facial hair, I don't really shave too often because it takes a long time for me to grow facial hair. I've done it one time after Socks had passed away, so that's as far as I'm going on that. All right.
I'm as clean as a whistle. Time to get dressed.
Yeah, time to get dressed, man. Because all right, you can change camera angles by pressing L1. Cool. We'll get some clothes on because nobody wants to see you in your skimmies. skivvies, whatever the fuck it's called. All right, we're dressed.
I've got some time before Grace and the kids get back. Better get some work done.
Yeah, I think we'll probably get some work.
Nothing like a refreshing shower. I almost feel awake.
Do you need some coffee, my friend? I mean, some coffee might help. All right, let's go. Let's go see what we can do. I swear, he pivots like that, like the old school freaking Resident Evil games. Like, the character's thoughts can change in the situation. Let's see.
Nice day outside. Maybe I could squeeze in a little garden time.
Yeah, I mean, you got all kinds of stuff to do, man. I mean, you got all kinds of shit. An RC car. Shit. This is one of those weird, really cool kind of like literal, like interactive things that they have on this game. I don't know. Sometimes I wonder if it's a proper time to play this game, because sometimes it's like, I don't know.
How about some music?
Nah, man, no music. You're some, I'm trying not to get copyrighted.
I could go for a cup of coffee.
Coffee, more like coffee, man. God, there's one thing about like, I mean, I know he's initially like, I think he's British in real life, if I'm correct. The voice actor for this game, I think he's British. So, all right, let's see. Let's go get some coffee. There's orange juice and there's a birthday cake. Yeah, let's shake it because you don't want fucking sediment. God. Come on, you bastard. God, I hate fucking this thing sometimes. Yeah, I'm a bad influence on that one. All right, you had some orange juice. But there is the coffee. That would probably have been better. This man literally drank a whole fucking warm cup of coffee so quickly. Man, what a Chad.
I hope Grace found a present for Jason's birthday.
Yes, I'm sure she found something nice.
Oof, it's stuffy in here. I should get some fresh air in the garden.
Yeah, we could. I mean, garden. But we have work to do too, man. We've got a lot of shit to do. So how about we do some work, then we'll go out and get some air, and you know, do that type of stuff, man. All right, so let's I don't know. I kind of like the, you know, little things that you could do on this game, architectural stuff, as you could see. And as he says, it's a little stuffy. And then just initial there.
Monday.
Monday. That accent is so strange. Okay, we finished work. How about we go outside? Get some air. Get some fresh air. Where is the door? The door. Ethan. That's, wrong way. We'll get it somehow. Somehow, folks.
It's almost lunchtime. Grace and the kids will be back any minute.
Hey, take it easy. You're gonna knock me over. So this is your big day, huh?
Am I grown up now?
10 years old. That's not exactly grown up, but you're getting there.
Now, can I drive your car?
And I think you're gonna have to wait a little while for that.
Ethan, can you please help me?
I'm coming.
A gentleman and a scholar right there.
Excited since this morning. I could hardly keep them in line in the supermarket. How's your day been? Managed to get any work done?
Yeah, I got my work done.
I made some pretty good progress. I've just got to work on a few more details, and then I should be ready to present the plans to the client.
Ugh, I've got a billion things to do. It'll never be ready before Jason's pals arrive. Can you please help me? There should be plates in the living room cupboard.
The living room covered.
No problem. Leave it to me.
Alright. I better get something after this lady. The cupboard. Where is the cupboard? Plates.
The plates should be in the living room cupboard.
They're right here, my good sir.
That door's always sticking. Give it a big tug.
Yeah! Like a man!
That's the set my mother gave us. Be careful, okay?
Don't worry. I wouldn't want to be responsible for a diplomatic incident with your mother.
Yeah? Easy. Easy. We got this. There you go. Like a Giga Chad right there. I wonder what happens if you actually, like, broke it. Like, I'm just kind of curious. Not saying that would happen, but makes you wonder. There you go. Plates are good. Anything else, honey? Do you need anything else? Let's see what she needs. Well.
I don't know if I've already told you this today, Mrs. Mars, but I find you very attractive.
You're not so bad yourself, Mr. Mars. I know what's on your mind, Ethan. But now is not the right time for it.
Rejected!
I wasn't expecting that to be the time or case for that.
Continue this little conversation later.
Well, I thought, you know,
When
something
are
was going
Jason's
on.
friends coming?
Oh, about 2 p.m. Oh God, I hope I'll be able to keep the situation under control. Not like last year.
What's up, boys? What you doing?
That's it. I'm free as a bird.
Hey, 5 minutes, boys, okay? After that, we've got to eat, because your friends are going to be here
Okay,
soon.
we promise, Mom.
Who wants to go first?
Me first. No, me first.
Easy, fellas. You can both have a turn. All right, Jason. Let's do the helicopter.
It's my turn now. It's my turn.
Okay, Sean, get ready. Here we go.
Come on, Dad. Show us how strong you are. Big muscles.
Yeah, this is basically Father Simulator right here, but I'm being a good father. Alright, come on. There we go. You got this, Ethan. You got this, man. Got the iron. Hell yeah. Look at you. Like a Giga Chad.
This time you're done for. You're gonna pay for all your crimes, evil one.
Ah, surrender, weakling. Say your prayers.
Come on, Jason. Hoya!
Give up. I am victorious.
Watch out. Oh! Attack! Attack! Whoa! Ah! Pay for that. Come on. Oh, that's gonna leave a mark. Yeah, Jayson. Ha! Continue. Watch out. Yeah. Ha! Ha! Go, Jayson. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, no. My life. Scum. To an end.
Food's ready, kids. You coming in?
Hell yeah. You got this, man.
Lunchtime. I'd better not keep everyone waiting.
Yeah, we shouldn't make them wait. But I am kind of curious.
Lunch is ready.
I'm kind of curious what is for lunch. And Sean, I wonder what's he doing.
Why isn't Sean at the table? He should be around here somewhere.
Oh, I remember now. Fuck. Yeah. Alrighty. Come on, Sean. Let's go. Let's go see what's going on.
Sean? What's up?
It's Merlin. He's dead. He's dead and it's all my fault.
No, it's not, Sean. Of course it's not your fault.
I'd give anything if you could come back to life.
You know, Sean, there's some things which just have to happen. Even if you don't want them to.
It's not fair, Dad. It's not fair.
I know. I know.
I feel you, man. I feel you. Losing pets are it's never easy.
I'd like to have a quick look at some shoes for Sean. Can you watch Jayson for a minute? I promise, he won't be long.
Sure, no problem.
Holy hell, it got so loud. I'm gonna have to lower that at least to a 14. Jeez, that is so loud for no reason.
We're not going anywhere, are we, Jayson?
Come on, honey.
Ethan, my guy, look after him, for God's sakes. Bruh. Oh, God.
Jayson! Jayson!
Come on, Jayson.
Jayson!
Look, man, I know freaking we all get intrigued, but come on.
Jayson! Jayson!
Come back.
Jayson!
Jayson, come back, my
Jayson.
friend.
Jayson! Jayson!
Oh, God.
Jayson!
This is one part that just kind of like low-key bothers me, but there's another part later in the game that just hurts another difference for me.
You really shouldn't wander off like that, you know? There's an awful lot of people in here.
Please, Dad, can I have one? I would really love to have one. Please, Dad, come on.
Okay, let's go buy a balloon.
Great!
Hey, champ. What's your name?
Jayson,
Which balloon would you like, Jayson?
the red one.
Here you go.
The part that bothers me is
That'll
like,
be $2, sir.
all right.
Wait for me. Wait for your dad, son.
Oh, God.
In here.
Oh, God. Why would he go so fucking
It is
far?
impossible to try on a pair of shoes with this crowd.
Yeah.
He was here a second ago. I bought him a balloon, and I turned around and he just disappeared.
Disappeared? What do you mean disappeared?
Stay here. I'll go get him. I'll be right back. Jayson! 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 Jayson!
Quick, I need to go downstairs now or I'm gonna lose him in the crowd.
Go, man, go. Just fucking go. Jayson.
Jayson!
Come on, man.
Jayson!
God, I hate fucking crowds like this. This is the kind of shit that gives you fucking paranoia and fucking anxiety.
Jayson!
That's the rough part. Like, this...
Jayson!
Like, I've had this encounter before in my real life. Like, it's just awful.
Jayson!
Oh, you fucking assholes. Fucking balloons. Where is he? Oh, my God. Where the fuck did he go?
Jayson! Jayson!
He's not over there. There he is. Move, everybody. God. God damn. Like,
Jayson!
fucking everybody and their brother needs to move away. The rough part, that kid actually looks like it could be him, but...
Jayson! Jayson! Jayson!
Oh, God.
Jayson!
Alright, there he goes.
Fuck, I'm gonna lose him. I'm gonna lose him.
Jason!
It's understandable, man. I mean, anybody would be fucking,
He must have gotten
like,
swept
freaked the
away by
fuck out about this. Where the hell did he go? He just was over here.
Hey man, watch where you're going.
Shit!
Dad!
And just like that, it kind of hurts a little bit because, like, I don't have any siblings, nor do I have kids, but that kind of shit just kind of hurts a little bit, especially because it's like, he was just 10 years old. His fucking birthday was just there. It just, that's what fucking hurts, man. It's such a sad shit, and I don't know why. It just, like, it's Quantum Dreams, man. You guys do some good games, but damn, it hits the feels at times. I swear to God, like, I don't get emotional often, but that one, that gave me goose pimples, you know, like, you know, fucking, like, goosebumps and stuff. That hurts. It hurts, man, for real. Two years later. Man, I understand that pain, dude. I really do. But, alright. Man, Ethan, I'm so sorry, dude.
Hi, Sean.
Hi, Dad.
Heavy rain. It's been the same for weeks. Let's go back home. I know he doesn't like being the last one left at school.
Alrighty, let's... You forgot your seatbelt, my friend. There you go. Safety first. Alrighty, off we go. Man, I could tell you it's boring and humdrum when it is that much rain. It reminds me of like when you like during hurricanes or monsoon season in Florida. It's never a fun feeling. I don't like it in particular. Alrighty. Let's see what the schedule says, you know? Well, um let's see. 4:30 snacks, 6 o'clock homework, 7 o'clock dinner, 8 o'clock bed. Alright. What time is it? Almost 5. Let's go see if he wants you want something to eat, man?
It's time for your snack. Are you hungry?
I guess, a little.
Let's see what we can find in the kitchen.
Alright, let's go see what we can get you for a snack. Nah, what? You are addicted to freaking orange juices, I swear. Well, whatever floats your boat, I guess. But, let's go get you some pizza. That pizza up there. God damn it. Ah, come on, Ethan. Be a good dad. Don't do this. How about we get you a plate? Let's get a plate. There we go. We'll get a plate. How about this? You wanna orange? Son, you want an orange?
Here, Sean. Here's your snack.
Dad,
Oh, it's an apple. My apologies. Origami killer strikes again. Yeah. Origami strikes again. 7th victim identified. And the modus operandi is the origami killer. Yeah, nah. Yeah, that's one of those things that are a little rough. Sometimes you just wonder where I guess we could discuss it. You want to discuss something?
So, do you want to talk a little?
talk about what?
I don't know, about you, your friends,
Yeah.
how things are going.
Nothing special.
How are things at school? Is your teacher nice?
Everything's fine, Dad.
All right. I'll leave you be.
What do you say we play together for a while?
I'd rather watch TV.
All right. All right. It's I'll let you do your thing, son.
You've got a cold coming on. I'm gonna see if I can find some medicine for you.
All right. I'll get you your medicine, and we'll do homework afterward. That man, you know, you gotta be good on the studies. I mean, hey, we all get things that we have to do in life. I don't mind. I didn't really mind doing homework. It was something that I was just kind of like, just there. Didn't really like have any issues. All right.
Here, take this. It'll make you feel better.
Thanks, Dad.
Sean, do you want to do your homework now?
Please, Dad, let me watch TV a little longer. We'll do it later, okay?
All right, I'll come back a little.
Not much later, man. I'll give you till 6:30. 6:30, and then when we're gonna be doing some homework.
Sean, do you want to do your homework now?
Please, Dad, let me watch TV a little while longer. We'll do it later, okay?
I think we should just get right to it. Then it's done and out of the way. Now, get your bag and get set up in the kitchen. I'll help you.
Yeah, see, I'm being good, you know? Freaking gotta turn on the light, man, because it's dark in there.
Come to think of
Dad, I'm finished. Can I go watch TV?
Let me have a look. Pretty good. Looks like you're done. Off you go.
It's an interesting concept. It's like I know he's trying to like pivot like trying to be like a human, but man, it's pretty weird. This is one game thing I don't like about the controls on this game. It's just like they're a little funky. Also, hey, you want some food? You want some food, son?
Do you want me to get your dinner?
Oh yeah, I'm really hungry.
Okay.
All right.
I'll go see what I can find.
All right, Dad.
Dinner's ready.
All right, come on. There you go. Now we could get that. We could get some pizza. No roasted chicken tonight. We're gonna have some good old pizza. I mean, everybody likes pizza. I mean, shit, I like pizza. I just can't have it because I'm, you know, lactose intolerant. That's one thing I hate, being lactose intolerant and enjoying pizza. It's fucking terrible. Well, fuck, that was a quick-ass pizza. And, you know, frickin' someone who eats pizza with a fork and a knife is a very strange person, to be honest. But no judgments.
You can come now, Sean. Your meal is ready.
I'm coming.
Alright. Alright, well, it looks like he's enjoying his pizza. I will... What the hell? There we go. You want to see a magic trick, man? I can juggle. There we go. Hell yeah. I can never do that in
Hey,
real life.
Dad, I didn't know you could juggle.
I haven't tried it in a long time.
Do you think you could teach me too?
Sure. I'll show you if you like.
It's a very strange thing eating pizza with a fork and a knife, but no judgments.
Come on, Sean. It's time for bed.
I'm not tired yet. Can I stay up a little longer?
All right, we'll wait a little before going to bed. But don't say anything to your mother, okay?
There you go. Gotta get that shit ready, because I don't like having my windows open during nighttime or daytime. Oh, God. That's a little rough. That's a little egregious, even for that kind of standard. I can understand that maybe being like a grief counseling kind of thing, but damn, that's rough as hell, man. Like, I remember when I was in school and I had a relative pass away, it was hard for sure, but like I did not expect. I mean, they didn't ask me to draw that kind of thing.
Not very reasonable, is it? You have school tomorrow. You have to get some sleep.
All right, I'm going. Are you coming with me?
Go brush your teeth and put on your pajamas. I'll come up.
I mean, I feel like I'm a bad father for letting my kids stay up that late. I mean, I don't think so, but hey. It's a very interesting show, I will say that. Alright, I'm gonna go up. Go see what's up. It's like, the camera angle is good, but it's a very, what the fuck? Is the door closed? Alright, for some reason I thought the door was open, but like that kind of just freaked me out, but then again, not really. I'm not gonna bother him. Alright. Alright, son.
Good night, Sean.
My teddy! I haven't got my teddy, Dad!
You must have left it somewhere in the house. Do you have any idea where it could be?
No, Dad. Please, I can't sleep without him.
All right, I'll have a look around and see if I can find it, okay?
Yeah, I mean, I feel like I would do the same thing if I was a father, because, like, if I had a kid and they asked for, you know, a plush animal or something, yeah, I would do it. I mean, because I mean, sometimes people get like separation anxiety with that shit. It's understandable. I mean, there are times where hell, I mean, I've had friends have plushes. I mean, even fucking my friends to this day, they got me as a gift of a plush, and I mean, I'm fucking old. I don't need a fucking plush, but it's a nice gesture and it's a nice thought. That's all I can really say. I got you, little dude. Hey, Sean, look what I got. Ta-da!
Thanks, Dad.
Good night, Sean.
Night. Dad,
Yeah?
why do you look so sad?
I think I just need some time to get back to the way things were.
You know, Dad, what happened to Jayson wasn't your fault.
Good night, Sean.
See, that's the kind of shit that just almost gets you in tears. And like it just hurts. It just I don't know why, man. It does. It hits home for me in a weird way. I'm like low key on the verge of tears and I'm trying not to. It's just it's tough. It's tough, man. How the fuck did I end up all the way here? All right, well, here we go. This is our man, Scott Shelby. But I will tell you guys, this will probably be the end for this. So, thank you guys for watching. Like, rate, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Whatever it may be, I hope you guys enjoy. I'm sorry that this is a little bit of a deeper game for the channel, but I felt like it'd be something nice for the channel. So with that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Is my computer. I feel like such a loser. I'm so ugly, I'm so stupid. Never learn, I need a tuner.